Hello, my name is Kian Mohaber and I am presenting Art in 1915. To start, in early May 1915, the Design and Industries Association was founded in London, England. The purpose of this was to improve England's general architectural industrial designs by incorporating art into their construction. This was meant to improve the overall look of industrial structures for the general public. Later that month, Francis Cornford published his book Spring Morning, which was the first book focused on modern art at the time. The big thing about it is that it featured pictures engraved in wood. Next, the Dore Gallery in London featured the world's first contemporary Vorticist exhibition. Vorticism was a short-lived art movement that began in 1914. It was a branch of Picasso's Cubism, which used the same designs, however favored geometric, abstract designs rather than more realistic objects or scenery. Later that year, in October 24th, Giovanni Battista Tiepolo's translation of the House of Loreto painting inside the church of Scalzi in Venice, Italy, was destroyed by an Austrian attack, as this was during the height of World War I. Later that year, Edward McKnight Coffer was hired to design posters for the Underground Electric Railways Company of London. This was better known as the London Underground. As this underground subway system became more popular in the UK since its establishment in 1902, the company needed to make it easier for passengers to see their stops. So Coffer was hired to create visually appealing maps for this system, which lasts to this day. Finally, in Japan, the movement of art using woodblock printing took off. Traditionally known as shinhanga, artists would use the ancient technique of woodblock printing to create art rather than print. The very first piece was created by artist Shozaburo Watanabe, who is responsible for the birth of this movement. Thank you for watching.